In the northernmost part of Norway, where nature's beauty meets modern innovation, lies a revolution in automated solutions. Discover endless possibilities with KR Automation. Through more than 20 years, our team has been specializing in IT, electrical engineering and automation, creating innovative and customized solutions for a wide range of clients. Operating in a variety of industrial environments, our team has developed extensive knowledge, meeting customer expectations on an everyday basis. As your trusted partner, our early involvement guarantees a system designed with precision tailored to your needs and future expansions. Our goal is a seamless transition, optimized production, and cost-effective implementation. From troubleshooting and maintenance to condition monitoring, we ensure your production facilities run efficiently and reliably, helping you maintain seamless operations and superior product quality. Our system coordinates and monitors every aspect of your operation, from raw material to finished products. This ensures maximum efficiency, traceability, and quality control, the key elements of success in the manufacturing industry. With KR Automation innovative technology, you can make informed decisions on the go. We are dedicated to providing solutions that are not only technically superior, but also environmentally responsible. We believe in a future where technology and sustainability coexist. By streamlining production, we contribute to a greener, more sustainable future. From small businesses to large enterprises, KR Automations is your trusted partner in the modern industrial world. Automation with security, reliable solutions, and infinite possibilities. Visit us at krautomation.no to start your journey. KR Automation, innovating for a better tomorrow.